Precious one, you are welcome to Great Boafo Company Limited. When it comes to gas cylinders that can cause fire outbreaks in your homes, Great Boafo Company Limited has brought special coats that will prevent your gas cylinders from rusting and fire outbreaks. The coats come in different sizes. It has a wheel beneath that helps you to easily move the cylinder and also lock it at one position. The coat absorbs all dirt, keeping the cylinder in good shape. This shows how rusty and dangerous a cylinder without the G-coat can be. A rusty cylinder can leak and cause fire outbreaks. With this small size cylinder, after putting on the G-coat, there is a direct cylinder lining on the cylinder that collects boiling water which may drop when cooking. This prevents the cylinder from rusting as well as putting off the burner. Precious one, contact Great Boafo Company Limited on 0246 478630 or 0578 003272. Great Boafo Company Limited, your #1 helper.